Jennifer DeVivo, how you doing? We have one of my most anticipated model home tours yet. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to save, to make sure that you get all of our great, amazing content, fresh model homes, amazing community tours, and my Just Ask Jens with great hard-hitting advice. But now, back to this. Everybody asks me what is the best floor plan in the Orlando area, and hands down, it would be this baby here. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet, and super flexible. I have sold this particular model over and over again to growing families, to singles, to retirees. And the great reason why it works so well, as you're gonna see, it is a tri-split. You've got 2 bedrooms, you've got an office over there, and you've got a master on the other, all on different sides of the home. And you have this perfect open floor plan that everybody is looking for, but nobody is on top of. And we have this particular model building all throughout Central Florida, all different communities, all different amenities, and the best bonuses. And if you mention this video here, you're gonna get another $1,000 rebate. So don't forget, if you're looking for new construction, give me a call. Without any further ado, let's get into this home. So the first thing you're gonna notice when you enter this room is this amazing long foyer, which goes into 2 bedrooms and a bathroom over to the right of me. And as you come in further, you're gonna get a nice off to the side office or 3rd bedroom before you get into the heart of the home and the master. So as you enter into the second part of the home, where we kind of started in the beginning of the video, this is a great kitchen. Even my chefs love it. We've got a gas stove right here. All the granite, all of the 42-inch cabinets come in this particular floor plan. And the great thing about this builder, guys, is you're not having to haggle over upgrades. You might have seen in my other video with the 5.3. Again, everything you see comes with the home, and it is just so nice. One price. Another thing people love is the island and this big walk-in pantry. I don't know about you guys, but I love to overbuy. I love Costco. I love having extra stuff for the holidays, and I love buying it in January. And this, thank you. That's my awesome Sarah, making sure we have light. And that, guys, is where it goes. So a lot of times you don't get this big walk-in pantry in some of the models, but here you do. And then as you notice, you've got your nice, this would be where your refrigerator goes. And if you're into coffee, if you're into wine, you've got this great kind of butler's pantry. So again, this big open floor plan, you're gonna be cooking, entertaining, and you've got a nice big eat-in kitchen, perfect for Christmas, perfect for the holidays. I know I have my fam out there that they're like, I don't like a formal dining room, but I want a really big area. Your table could go all the way up to here. And then you've got your living room right again in your big open floor plan. Plenty of light in this house. Even with the lights off, this house is just full of sunlight and just big and open. So definitely enjoy. This home packs a punch at 1,800 plus square feet. This is a king size bed, guys, with 2 oversized end tables. There's lots of room for furniture, and it boasts a nice master suite bathroom. So I'm sitting in what could be your future home office. If you are ready to take the plunge and figure out if this particular floor plan is what you're looking for, please let me know. And if this doesn't work for you, I have the skinny on all the best deals, all the best builders if you're looking to go new construction. And I even have a couple of these pre-existing that you could get a little bit more of a bonus, but these homes come with incredible bonuses with closing costs, upgrades, and even more. And as I say before, if you have seen one of my new construction videos and you mention this video, you can get a $1,000 rebate. So you guys subscribe, save, give me a call, and enjoy.